If it come to ask which sound is the greatest sound in this whole wide world, there's no other answer to it than the sound called Roses International Sound. Well, big up Nico Star, Black Hype and Chris Lee. I hear me? Mad thing, represent Roses for life. Jonah Reid says so. He that sound boy does come from country. Don't try to test my sound. No, no. Roses International Sound. Stand your home. You coulda come from Rima or you come from jungle. Coulda come from Firehouse or you come from Hawaii. One sound, a Roses International Sound. Hear me now. You coulda come from Libya or you come from America. Coulda come from Europe or you come from Africa. Dead sound, no come test Roses sound. You coulda be a Irishman or a Englishman, be a Mexican or a with a Pakistan. One sound, a Roses sound. Hey mate, boy, I want you get me straight. Roses sound is great, boy. I might boy. Roses International sound is great, boy. Blood. Hey go, I you like Nico Star, yes the massive them low. Hey blow, I'm Black Hype no joke. Come and say easy Chris Lee, I know we kill them for free. And when a Roses come, they'll not be try to test me. Dead sound, no test the Roses sound. You coulda come from Lebanon or you come from Iran. Coulda come from China or you come from Japan. Dead sound, no test the Roses sound. The fussing and fighting, soundless one every day. No sound like Roses sound. You coulda come from Rima or you come from jungle. Coulda come from Firehouse or you come from Hawaii. One sound that a Roses sound. You coulda come from uptown or you come from downtown.